Hey everyone, Ghostnick here, and today I'm going to do a review on... It's from Dairy Queen. It's the Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. That's what I'm going to do a review on. It looks like it has cookie dough in it and sprinkles. So I'm going to try it and tell you what I think of it. I looked it up of how many calories it is. I don't want to tell you the calories. There's too much calories for this. I just have a feeling it's going to taste like Dairy Queen ice cream or the McFlurry confetti cookie dough from McDonald's. Remember last time I did a review on Dairy Queen? It was the Churro cone. Churro dip cone, by the way. So this is the Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. So I'll try it. What do I think of it? You know, that's really not too bad. It feels like it were the birthday kind of ice cream. Like birthday cake. You know, those like off-brand birthday cake ice cream. Very good. I taste the cookie dough. Anyway, I would give the score of this the Dairy Queen Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. I give the score of this a 4 stars out of 5. This is actually pretty limited time only. You can only get it for this month at Dairy Queen. So I recommend you should go and try it. But don't get large because it's really too much calories. You should get like a medium or a small. I recommend you should get one of these. Like this is a medium right now. This is good. It's a 4 star. It's good. It's like regular ice cream. Like one of those off-brand ice creams that are birthday cake kind. So that's pretty much what I had to say. Not a big review, but it's actually pretty good. It's a 4 star. And also, please subscribe for more videos. And so in the meantime, this is Ghostnick, signing off. Goodbye.